Welcome back, this is Olivia, and guys, you are watching my biography channel BioStars. Today, I'm going to describe the biography of Manjima Mohan. Who is Manjima Mohan? Manjima Mohan is an Indian actress most famously known for her role as Leela in the Tamil-Telugu bilingual film Achacham Yenbadhu Madhamayada Sashan Sosaga Saigipo. She won a Filmfare Award for Best Female Debut, sought for her role in the film. She has also appeared in other films like Sathiriyan, Ipadi Bhelu, Indian Mahaniyakudu, Devarattam, and Kalathil Sandhipam. Let's know about her biography. Manjima Mohan was born on the 11th of March 1993 in Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala, India. She is currently 28 years old. Birth name Priyadarshini. Nickname Manjima. Profession actress. Date of birth March 11, 1993. Age 28 years old. Place of birth Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala, India. Nationality Indian. Sun sign Pisces. Ethnicity Malayali. Religion Hinduism. Let's know about her family and education. Manjima Mohan is the daughter of cinematographer Vipin Mohan and dancer Kalamandalam Griza. Manjima attended Nirmala Bhavan Higher Secondary School, Thiruvananthapuram, and later moved to Chennai to further her studies. She earned her BSc degree in mathematics from Stella Maris College in Chennai. Let's know about her personal life. The actress has kept her personal life under the wraps, which make it difficult to say anything about her love life and dating history. Let's know about her physical statistics. Height 5 feet 3 inches. Weight 56 kg or 123 pounds. Body build average. Eye color black. Hair color black. Sexuality straight. Let's know about her professional statistics. Film debut. As a child actress, Manjima Mohan made her on-screen debut with the film Kalyanjal. She went on to do over a half dozen films before the took hiatus from acting. In 2015, she returned to acting and landed her first leading role in the Malayalam film Oru Bhada Kansalve, in which she played the role of Daisy Gurge. The following year, she made her debut in the Tamil and Telugu cinema industry with Gautam Menon's bilingual film Achacham Yenbadhu Madhamayada Tamil. Television debut. She hosted a TV chat show for kids called Hey Kids. Let's know about her facts. Even though she had experience in acting, she said that she was not at all confident when she started shooting for the film Oru Bhadaka Selfie, and that the initial days were terrifying. She won the Kerala State Film Award for Best Child Artist for her role in the film Madhu Ranmo Barakattu. She won the Filmfare Award for Best Female Debut, sought for the outstanding performance in the film Achacham Yenbadhu Madhamayada in 2017. So guys, many thanks for staying with us. No more now. See you later with biography of another stars. Take care. Bye.